Today I would like to tell you a story about the legend of Waterfall. Have you ever heard about Waterfall?
Yes.
Let me tell you about it. Once upon a time, there was a king, Harimamani, who married a very beautiful Princess Nantamumas. Seven better fellows were slaughtered for the party purpose. But sadly, for many years, the king did not have a child. All clever people have been slain, but to no effect. The king and Princess Nantamumas have given up on childbirth. You know, one day, when all the people were busy working in the fields, Nantamumas had daydreaming high festivals. And suddenly, someone dressed in white with a crown on his head stand in front of her and asked her. Nantamumas was scared. Oh, don't you afraid. I know your troubles because you haven't died yet. You were worried that the king will marry again. But he promised me to be faithful instead, and he's coming. Yeah, he's right. But the people in the crown prince will be the king in the future. God doesn't need to worry. Soon you will have offspring. The crown prince who is capable, daring, mighty, and wise. Really? That's right. But after the baby birth, you have to bathe him lightly over traditional food, oil cloth, and white. Then you want to see. Umang is the name of someone dressed in white with a crown on his head. Happily, Nantamumas became pregnant and greeted with great joy by all the people and the entire province. When the baby was born, they were named Undung and celebrated their life. But one day, Nantamumas forgot her promise to the Umang. So one day, when Nantamumas brought Undung at high priest's house, suddenly the woman stood in front of her. And Nantamumas remembered her promise. Nantamumas begged for mercy and willing to accept the punishment given to her. The woman did not care. He carried the baby as fast as lightning and just disappeared. The whole village was shocked by Nantamumas' screams while the baby cried when heard in my order. All the tall men in the village looked for the baby. His orders. You know, if people were walking down the street, the sound of baby cry were